on, folks? This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 45, Nasdaq's up 14, S&P's are flat. Gold contract down $3.40, traded at $1,297 an ounce. Silver's flat at $20.61 an ounce. You got platinum, $1,479 an ounce. Light sweet crude off a buck at $99.99 a barrel. Bonds are getting smoked out here. You get the 10-year off 24 ticks at 124.20. We'll go over the 10 and the 30. 30's down a point and a half at 137.14. King dollar up 220 ticks at 81.53. That baby 81.50 was screaming it wanted to get tested. I suspect King dollar is going to go a lot higher. Euro down 21 ticks at 133.88. And the yen's trading out there at 102.87. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. On what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We're at 1969. The swing low of the 17th of July is 1955. We're going to make that run down to 1955. We've done 1962 thus far today. When we take a look at the volume characteristic, what we have out here, we go to the SPY. What you're going to see with the SPY right now is down 17 cents. And we do have an expansion of volume. Yesterday we did, we did 80 million yesterday. We're at 87 right now. We get 50 minutes left coming into the close. The swing point that it's going after, the SPY, it's going after 195.43. We are going to need another expansion of volume as we get into that. That low there has 145 million shares that were traded on the 17th. Dow Industrials, what do you have with the Dow? She's rolling over. It's a slow roll. The Dow is at 16,867 right now. It is a slow roll. However, what you do have is that you basically roll back a month and a half in all of 6.5 days. Why? Because when we were going up, we were actually a sideways move for almost a month, folks. Then what we did on the 14th of July, you popped higher for a couple weeks, and you can see you only came down 3 days, but yet coming down 3 days brought you all the way back to July 5th. NASDAQ composite first. We take a look at the composite. What we have with the composite is this. Try to get to a higher high. We'll see whether it can hang at this higher high. Right now, the composite's up 14 bucks. And the high in the composite is the 24th of July. That was 4485. We hit 4476. The number for a small failure would close under 4470, which looks like we're going to do. A larger failure is a close under 4457.95, and right now we're at 4457.23. So I expect you're going to get that. And what that number is, by the way, folks, is the same number that we failed at yesterday. That's what it is. You had the characteristic that we have inside this market right now is that the market opens higher, can't handle it, comes lower, gets a pop intraday, can't handle it, comes lower once again. Gold contract. We go take a look at gold. What we have with gold is this. Gold contract out here has done 118,000 contracts, small move. We're down a couple bucks. There's not enough strength, selling strength in this gold to get this lower. It's coming into the day of strength from the 19th of June, which was 236,000 contracts. Big number. Now, let's go to bonds. Okay, so bond market, the ever-ready bond market. What do we have? We've done 1.6 million shares here. That is no doubt a huge expansion of volume. But what you have also is this, is that your swing point out here is 124.16 to 123.26. That's going to have to get into that baby with 1.3 million contracts. Thus far, we've hit 124.14, which, in fact, was the high of the last low that was generated out there. We'll see whether you get any follow-through with that and see if, in fact, it can come down and hit that. We're going to take a look at the 30-year. This is what you have with the 30-year. 30-year is down a point and a half. That we've done 476,000 contracts, and she is coming into 420. And she hasn't hit a swing point yet. So the 30-year and the 10-year are going to need another day tomorrow like a day today, okay? So the bottom line is that, you know, I'm in the camp that bonds, prices are going higher, yields are going lower. You know, the pullback today, no doubt, this is on the Fed announcement, and what the announcement was, by the way, it's, you know, status quo, folks. Two-day Federal Reserve meeting, come out that bottom line is that they're going to pull back another $10 billion. Now their bond buying is $25 billion. Each and every month, they told us this months ago, they're going to pull back, excuse me, by $10 billion. They've done it, and that says that the end of the purchase program will come in October. Now, King Dollar. Let's go take a look at King Dollar. King Dollar's been on the move, is on the move. DXU4. What we have with King Dollar is this. She does 29,000 contracts out here today, big numbers. Gets into 8150, and if I put a continuous contract up here on King Dollar, what you're going to see, I'll bring this back. First, I'm going to just bring it back 2 years on a weekly. What you have is this. This is a crucial number, this 8150. If we launch this number, which I love how we're coming into this number. We're coming into this number, folks, with force. Wide price spread, accelerated volume. That's how we're coming in. That says that, guess what? You can get up and over this level, and we haven't been up and over this level since September of 2013. You get up and over that level, the dollar's going to make a run to 84.96. That's the way this is shaking out right now. Some of the Dow stocks out here, we had American Express is down 81. We have Caterpillar off $1.43. Caterpillar's getting hit. Oxy is down 122. Inside the, let's just go inside that oil sector. What do you have? Yeah, she's getting hit all over the place. You want to see something that really got took away some gains in a big way is Apache. Apache was up $3 earlier, folks. And this is a test of a high on lighter volume. Apache's trading at 108.92. That high of today was 113. 113 was testing the 112.79. If you want to see a test, and just it always blows my mind that they can test these things by the penny. Got over it. Closed, well, get over it, and is still going to do lighter volume. This is the thing that's a total mind blower here. Had the expansion on the way up, got over it, going to close underneath it, and it looks to me that we're going to have lighter volume. That is going to send Apache down to the area of 100, and right now it's at 108. We go to the XLE, and you take a look at the XLE. What you have with the XLE, she just has taken... Yeah, she just gave back a month and a half, actually, and she has volume expanding. The swing point, the lowest swing point on this is 98.14. We've hit 98.44. Right now, we have 8.6 million shares. That swing point has 10 million shares. I expect you're going to go after that swing point tomorrow, and the oil service sector is giving it up. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. We go look inside the NDX 100 and see what we have happening inside the NDX 100. This is what it is. Putting juice into it, you had Amgen. Amgen is up $7. What's that? Charter. C.H. Robinson is up $3.64. You get REG up $16, and Express Scripts is up $3. Taken out of it, you get Garmin is down $3.42. Vertex Pharmaceuticals off $3.74. We have, what is the VRSK is off of $1.53, and Mondelez is down $93. If we go take a look at the 3Qs, what we have with the 3Qs right now. Okay, so 3Qs got to a price point today of $97.32. It's at $96.90 and 96. You kind of love this. This is going to be so cool. So check this out. We're at 96.89, folks. Failure in the 3Qs today is 96.87. A close under that. We take a look at this in a 10-minute. Let's put it up in the 10-minute and see what we have. So 10-minute basis, you got the spike at 14.10. No volume on that spike. It's going to be a close call here if we can get underneath it. 96.75. Yeah, we can go to 96.75 easy. We only need 2 pennies for failure. 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Come right back.